Welcome to the Handcrafted Woodcutting channel. Woodcutting machines are the talented artists in the wood processing industry. Modern technology is changing the way we work with wood, so join us as we explore how technology helps us create stunning products. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our latest videos. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Now, let's begin our journey of discovering these impressive woodcutting machines. High efficiency. The logging attachment increases productivity by hundreds of times compared to manual methods. One machine can replace the labor of dozens or hundreds of workers, saving time and labor costs. Versatility and flexibility. Capable of 360-degree rotation, enabling easy access and handling of timber in complex terrains or confined spaces. Suitable for various tree types, example acacia, eucalyptus, rubber, and can process multiple small stems simultaneously, aiding in biomass collection. Material savings. Precise cutting blades and rollers minimize wood waste due to inaccurate cuts. Integrated features like debarking, cutting to length, and stacking optimize on-site processing. Safety and ease of operation. User-friendly control panels with high automation reduce risks for operators. Ensures safe timber transport, minimizing damage and losses. Diverse applications. Beyond logging, the attachment is used in construction, handling concrete pillars or steel pipes, and logistics, loading/unloading timber at ports. Two standout features. Advanced technology. Equipped with powerful hydraulic systems and adaptive pressure control for fast cutting and debarking. Highly computerized with GPS and integrated timber pricing systems, optimizing cut lengths and managing harvest areas. Versatile processing. Can cut trees with diameters up to 900 millimeters, suitable for various tree types and moderately sloped terrains. Features multiple rollers and cutting blades, example 3 rollers and 4 blades on the AFM 55, ensuring fast and accurate processing. Optimized design. Geometric feeding systems allow simultaneous handling of multiple stems. Easy maintenance reduces downtime, ensuring long-term operational efficiency. Biomass support. Branches and treetops can be processed into chips for bioenergy production, aligning with sustainable development trends. 3 disadvantages. High investment costs. The cost of a high-quality logging head, example AFM 55, can reach approximately 2.3 billion VND, around $90,000 USD, excluding the large excavator, 18 tons or more, required for integration. This makes it suitable primarily for large enterprises or corporations. Limitations in complex terrains. Steep slopes or dense forests may hinder the excavator's maneuverability or ability to cut close to the stump, leading to wood waste. Ineffective in flooded areas or weak soil due to the heavy weight of the excavator. High technical requirements. Operation and maintenance require skilled technicians, increasing training and upkeep costs. Complex computerized systems may encounter errors if not regularly maintained. Equipment wear. In harsh logging environments, components like blades and rollers wear out quickly, requiring frequent replacements and increasing operating costs. Environmental impact. If not managed properly, Large-scale use of heavy machinery can disrupt soil and affect forest ecosystems. Conclusion: the logging attachment for large excavators is an advanced solution that delivers superior efficiency in timber harvesting and processing, particularly for large-scale operations. However, high investment costs and stringent technical requirements pose significant barriers. To maximize benefits, the equipment must be selected based on terrain, tree type, and harvest scale, while ensuring compliance with environmental regulations. If you need further information or specific advice, please provide additional details about your usage needs. Forestry mulcher, compact land clearing solution. A forestry mulcher is a powerful tractor attachment designed for efficient vegetation management. This versatile machine grinds trees, brush, and undergrowth into nutrient-rich mulch in a single pass, making it ideal for land preparation, agriculture/forestry, fire break creation, right-of-way maintenance, park/urban green space management. Key advantages include high productivity, clears 2 to 5 acres per day, depending on terrain. Cost-effective, eliminates burning/disposal costs. Eco-friendly, returns organic matter to soil. Versatile, handles vegetation up to 8 diameter. The mulcher's rotating drum with hardened steel teeth efficiently processes material while protecting the tractor from debris. Models range from 60 to 300 HP to match different tractor sizes. Maintenance requires regular tooth inspection/replacement, greasing of bearings, hydraulic system checks. While requiring significant tractor power, minimum 80 HP recommended, this attachment offers landowners and contractors an efficient alternative to traditional clearing methods. Its ability to work in tight spaces and leave usable mulch makes it particularly valuable for sustainable land management projects. Multi-purpose drill type stump grinder. Advantages and disadvantages. The multi-purpose drill type stump grinder is a machine used to remove tree stumps and grind down roots after tree felling. Below are its advantages and disadvantages. Advantages: versatility. Can grind stumps of various sizes. Some models can be fitted with additional attachments. Example: earth augers, tiller blades, for digging holes or gardening tasks. High efficiency. The drill-style design allows for fast stump grinding, saving time compared to manual digging. Suitable for both hard stumps and large roots. Labor saving. Reduces physical effort compared to manual digging with shovels or pickaxes. Easy to operate with electric or gasoline-powered engines. Compact and lightweight design. Some models are small and portable, ideal for tight spaces like home gardens or parks. Minimal environmental impact. Causes less soil disturbance compared to traditional stump removal methods, preserving surrounding landscapes. Disadvantages. Size limitations. Smaller models are only suitable for stumps with diameters under 30 to 50 centimeters, varies by model. Very large or deep-rooted stumps may require professional-grade equipment. Drill bit durability. The cutting teeth may wear out or break when encountering hard soil, rocks, or buried metal, nails, wires. Requires regular maintenance to maintain performance. Initial investment cost. More expensive than manual methods, especially high-power models. Replacement parts, blades, drill bits, add to long-term costs. Requires operational skill. Users need experience to avoid damaging the machine or causing accidents. Example: bit jamming, flying debris. Gasoline-powered models produce noise and emissions. Performance in wet soil. Some machines struggle in wet clay or muddy soil, leading to clogging. Conclusion. This type of stump grinder is ideal for homeowners, small-scale landscaping, or park maintenance. For very large stumps or high-volume work, professional-grade grinders or stump removal services may be more suitable. Excavator-mounted tree processor attachment. This compact forestry attachment combines cutting and debarking functions for 20 to 35-ton excavators. Key features: cuts trees up to 40 centimeters diameter. Integrated debarking rollers. Processes 50 to 80 trees/hour. Requires 80 to 150 L/min hydraulic flow. Benefits: 60% faster than separate tools, 30% fuel savings, 40% higher excavator utilization. Ideal for heavy checkmark forestry harvesting, heavy checkmark utility line maintenance, heavy checkmark urban tree management. ROI in 8 to 12 months for professional users. Compatible with most mid-sized excavators. Can recommend models for your specific machine.